Hello. This is a late video. This was taken on Monday. It is now Wednesday. I'm very ill. I think I might have COVID, believe it or not. Um, I mean, I can still smell and taste. Well, it's probably just a cold. I don't know. So on Monday we had this big weekly opening gap, big weekly opening gap, and we were just playing within the range. I took the trade on the S&P 500. Um, these were all like high time frame, like golden pocket. So rejections off of that, all stuff like that. So that's this level is the 15-minute liquidity or hourly liquidity. No, it's not. It's the lowest. It's an LFG. It's the lowest fair value gap of the range. So of this entire range, there was a lowest fair value gap here, and we tapped into it, and we saw rejections off of it. Nas had swept this 50-minute high, and we were tanking on ES all the way down. See how Nas has come back up here? We literally did absolutely nothing. Um, so I thought, right, well, we're in for buys here. Um, we there's a lot of drawings here, a lot of drawings. So bear with me. So we had a 15-minute range of this deviation fib that I can't. Yeah, so I drew it from this low to this high. We had this golden pocket from this high to this low, and we also had a bunch of these are 3-minute and 5-minute fair value gaps. So once we'd swept this high, I waited for a retrace. We retraced into like literally 3 red candles into these fair value gaps, into this 1 minute, into this 5 minute, into this 3 minute. We saw bullish pressure out of it. I've gone long and went up for these highs. We then literally get ticked out. That blue candle wicked me out, but I was still in on my actual funded. I had my stops below this fair value gap, and once we came down, we actually hit golden pocket, which I already had drawn out, and we saw bullish pressure out of it. A little retest again, and then up out of it. So I then re-entered off of this candle, placing my stops below here, thinking we were just retesting and that we definitely were coming up. But what we'd actually had done, which I did notice at the time, but I was a bit too ignorant to even take it into consideration, was this massive 15-minute fair value gap, which I already had drawn out, and we wicked into it, and that's what stopped me out. And I thought, right, we're gonna come up, and I had a TP set for the 50% of this fair value gap, but we carried on continuing to come down. We did eventually come up to here, but that was like the next day. Yeah, it was a total wipeout to be honest, and the structure of the markets have been kind of crazy. Like yesterday, we shot up and then rallied straight back down. Obviously, on Monday we were at all-time highs. Um, so I don't know, man. It's crazy. Yeah, Nasdaq actually did rally to all-time highs on well yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday because I was paddleboarding with my girlfriend and her friends and my friend, whatever. Uh, so yeah, That was a big, big wick up. I don't think I could have traded within this yesterday. We had such a big SMT that yeah. ES made this tiny move up. Nas made this fucking dick up. I mean, some people definitely would have caught a sell. Like if you use a TJR strat, a 15-minute. So then you go on your hourly liquidity. Come up, sweep. Nah, I suppose it was not even a retrace. I mean, you could have entered off of this. Oh, what have I done? That could have been a trade. And then obviously with like tighter stop losses. I mean, you could have gone full on like 1-to-1. That's a crazy trade. Or you could have really like honed it down and like maybe above this value gap. What you're getting like a 1-to-6, 1-to-5.4. So yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't have traded that yesterday. Um, but obviously I wouldn't have known that in the moment. Yeah, so that's a little trade review of that. Market opens in like an hour and a half. So I'll see you guys then. I need to edit this and post it.